Hello all and welcome to Gonomics. Today I will be showing you how to install your thumb locks.
Please follow general practices for safety and always follow all manufacturers' safety guidelines. Your product may vary slightly from the examples shown here.
First, place the equipment in the desired location. Then, clean the area where you will be adhering the locks with the alcohol pad provided. Open both locks prior to adhering. You may want to use something to gently pry open the locks if it is difficult to open. Gently hold the locks halfway to keep the strap from moving, but without locking, in order to help adjust to your desired location. Line up the strap with the side of your equipment. Remove the protective paper from the lower buckle and adhere. Do the same with the upper buckle. Make any final adjustments to the strap before locking both buckles. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos and socials. Go Gonomics!